Speaking of breathing on each other, last story of the day has to do with Halloween. More specifically, that the CDC wants to tell you, Willie Dude, don't you dare act like that Halloween mask is a substitute for your real mask, for your Apple mask.
Oh, yeah. I was supposed to wear it in the show.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, I'll wear it next time.
Not for the whole show. You're going to be muffled and everything.
I know. I'll
wear it for a bit. I was thinking that today. I had to throw the mask on. I got the smoothie earlier. And I was thinking to myself, oh, I should have had that Apple mask. Yeah. Which, by the way, I need to shout out somebody on Twitter who sent me a picture. I don't know, you're not going to be able to find it, but sent me a picture of a mask that's been sold in Korea for a long time that looks a lot like the Apple mask. Not that I care. It's fine with me. If it's a good design, if it does the job, if it does the trick, let's go for it. I mean, maybe they even admit they came from the supplier in South Korea. I don't know how much it matters.
Yeah.
But some people were just upset because they're saying, don't let Apple act like they invented that style of mask. So I mean, how are we going to figure out who invented the first form of that exact mask? Nonetheless, if you go watch the video, it is a pretty premium mask as far as disposable masks go.
Yeah, pretty cool.
That's non-negotiable. Anyways, the CDC says, look, do not use a costume mask, such as one for Halloween, as a substitute for a cloth mask, unless it is made of 2 or more layers of breathable fabric that covers your mouth and nose and doesn't leave gaps around your face. Don't try to double up either. Wearing a costume mask over a regular cloth face mask may make it hard to breathe.
Yeah.
Here's how you safely celebrate Halloween, according to the CDC. They call it one-way trick-or-treating, in which individual goodie bags are lined up at the end of a driveway or yard for families to grab while going from house to house. You know what, the teenagers or I don't know what, like the 12-year-olds are going to steal the candy. Listen to me, 13-year-olds, don't ruin it. All right?
Are you giving a lecture right now?
Yes. It's one-way trick-or-treating, and we're all depending on you right now, not to steal all the treats at the bottom of the driveway that the really youngsters are depending on. All right? People have the best interest in mind. They're also saying, here's what else you're allowed to do, Will.
Okay.
So I know you're a big Halloween guy. You can have an outdoor costume parade.
Okay.
Where the participants are 6 feet apart. You can visit the pumpkin patch. CDC says that's okay. Or orchards where social distancing is practiced. And you can participate in open air, one-way, walk-through haunted forests. I don't know about you, but this kind of talk gets me real excited for Halloween.
Yeah. I like to go to the orchards.
Yeah. Well, listen, pumpkin, you get a little pumpkin pie. You don't eat pumpkin pie, do you? The way you looked at me right there.
I don't think I've tried it.
You've never tried
pumpkin? Wait, actually I did, yeah. They sell it at the
they sell it.
Superstore.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You tried a pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm glad we got that out of the way. That's, believe it or not, pumpkin pie and pumpkin pie consumption is fully supported by the CDC while exercising social distancing in a haunted forest.
You combo it together.
That's right. Anyway, everybody stay safe. A Halloween mask is not a mask. It's not an Apple mask. A Halloween mask is not an Apple mask.